Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make bean thread soup with vegetables and eggs. Bean threads, also known as vermicelli, and in Chinese, fen tiao, is normally made of mung bean starch, or some of them made of pea flour, and it's so easy to make. It's perfect for lunch and it goes very well with your dinner too. Let me show you the ingredients. I have about a few ounces, 2 to 3 ounces of bean threads, vermicelli, soaking in cold water. It's about 10 minutes. I have 2 eggs. And we season the eggs with a little bit white pepper powder, a little bit salt, have a piece of ginger, 2 cloves garlic, two baby bell mushrooms. You can use other mushrooms, button mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, two green onions, and I have a few Napa cabbage leaves. And our ingredients as simple as that. Now we're ready to cook. Heat up our pan to high. I'm gonna use olive oil today because we just need to saute the vegetables. But first we're going to mix the eggs. Just make a scrambled eggs. And we didn't put too much oil. No problem. Now we take this out. Now add a little bit more oil. We're going to saute ginger, garlic, white part of green onions, our trio. Now add mushrooms. Now add Napa cabbage. Add some salt. Now add water. If you have vegetable stock, you can put a vegetable stock. It's about 3 cups. Bring this to boil. Now the soup is boiling. We'll let this cook about 5 minutes. So it depends on how crunchy you like the Napa cabbage. I normally cook about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 5 minutes, our vegetables getting tender. Now we add bean threads. And we'll cook about 2 minutes. After about a minute, we add eggs and green onions. Definitely add some salt. And white pepper powder. Mix well. Let me have a quick taste. Perfect. Our soup is ready. Let me try for you guys. Noodles done perfectly. Bean threads. It's vegetable, a little bit of crunchy. So warming. Delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I'm going to try for you guys. Have some bean threads. Soup. Let's try soup first. It's good. Has the freshness of the vegetables. Bean threads just done perfectly. Eggs. So warming. Napa cabbage. It's good. Still a little crunchy. Taste the ginger.